back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Happy Friday. It is officially the start of the weekend. I hope you all have amazing plans, and if you don't, I just hope you have an amazing weekend, even if you just enjoy sitting around doing nothing. That's kind of our plan. But thank you so much again for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do have a couple giveaways going on right now. We have our Thrift a Bag giveaway that will be linked down below, and don't forget on the 13th, so in just a couple days, the Boxy Luxe giveaway ends. So definitely enter if you have not already. But today we have the October 2019 BoxyCharm. Yeah, we have the October 2019 BoxyCharm. So for those of you that do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. You receive 5 full-size products, and the value will now be $125 or more, and it will be $25 a month starting in November. So we're gonna get in here and see exactly what I got for October. I did do an add-on when we were able to do that for the November box. So this is what we see when we open it. Oh, and I forgot. I just saw a product and it reminded me. If you are new to BoxyCharm, you are now able to select one of the items that will be in your box. You will be given a choice between like this or that. Pick between 2 different items and you'll get the item that you select. So it looks like I got variation 18. You can see that right there. After Dark is the theme, which is appropriate for October. And then this is talking about here on the back, the BoxyCharm Premium, where that's going to be a new box that they're going to offer for $35 a month. But yes, BoxyCharm 2.0 is what will start in November. And like I said, that is going to be $25 per month and 5 beauty products worth over $125. So let's just get in here, and this is what I see, which is good news for one of you guys. So I stated I actually did an add-on when that was open, and I added this guy on for November, the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. Well, good news is that means this one is going to go to one of you guys. What? Yes. So it says 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks, and this is $32. So I will take it out of the box to show you the colors. I obviously will not be swatching it because, like I said, we're going to do a little giveaway with this guy. So here is, it's very reflective. I do like that it is like a sleek, slim, there's a little piece of plastic. I'm just moving that to show you the colors. But these colors, you guys, are gorgeous. That's why I added it on, because obviously I didn't know what I was getting. And I was like, that is so beautiful and so pretty for fall. So we will do a giveaway in this video for this guy. So if you would like a chance to win the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna palette right here, stay tuned. So back in the box it goes, but that was item number 1. So like I said, I already ordered another one, so I don't need 2 of the same, so I'm going to share with you guys. The next product is actually the product that I selected for the October box, and that is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. Now, I got it in the light, but is that not just beautiful? Like, Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leaves the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. $29. I just think it's gorgeous. Like when you move it around. And that's, look, that is so beautiful. So I'm actually just going to spray it on my arm since I've already swirled it around real good. Look at that. Oh, it's so fun. What? That smells good. So. Oh, I can see even on my hand. Can you guys see? It like, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. There's teeny tiny little sparkles. It feels really nice on my skin. But yeah. You can see some of the sparkle came off on this hand. And it smells really good. All right, so the next product I got is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Slick With It Mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand Applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. $19. So I'm not going to open this yet because I have so many mascaras open, but I am super happy to have this guy. And this is in black. But if you do not know, one end is like a regular bigger mascara wand and the other is like super teeny tiny, and that's what it was talking about to get your lower lashes, your fine lashes. So I'm extremely happy about that guy. All right, so then we have from Mellow Cosmetics, we have a tinted brow gel right here. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. And this is $16. And, well, they definitely didn't pay attention to my profile because they sent me dark brown. I don't need dark brown. Really? So I won't be able to use this, but okay. All right, and then our final product is from Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. That's a long eyeliner. Line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. And this is valued at $7. So, what do I think of the October 2019 BoxyCharm? I'm definitely super pumped about this. Like I said, I did choose this. It was this or the Touch and Soul glass skin primer stuff. I am happy with this guy. I'm super happy about this, although I ordered one, so it worked out for you guys. These two products, I'm kind of, this I can't use at all because it's dark brown, which means that I don't feel like they paid attention to my profile. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm in another black eyeliner. I'm not mad at it. I'm not super thrilled either, but I will put the total value right here of my box. But let's go ahead and talk about how one of you can win this Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. So you must be subscribed to my channel. That is why I do my giveaways and share with you guys. I want to give back to all of you supporting me because I do greatly appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up. And you'll need to have a US shipping address for this guy. Since it's just a small little giveaway, we're going to stick with just US only for this one. And you need to be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. And what I want you guys to do is leave a comment down below with the words "enter me." You don't need to say anything else. I mean, you certainly can if you would like to, but just make sure your comment does include "enter me." And let's see, today's the 11th. So we will run this until, we'll run this for 2 weeks. So the 25th, we'll run this the 25th of October at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, I will use a random comment picker to select the winner, and I will pin their comment to the top and respond, letting them know they won. You'll have 48 hours to respond to me and confirm your win. Otherwise, I will select another winner. I will put all the rules down below, as well as a link if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm and you have not done so yet. I will put a link down below for that. So that is the little giveaway and my October 2019 BoxyCharm. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye.